Hello and welcome to 5 Minutes Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can remove a password from your Windows 11 account. So for that, first you have to go to settings. You can go to settings from your start menu or you can search here. So going into settings, from here you have to click on your profile name on the top left corner. Click on that. Then here you will find option sign in options. Click on that. So you might have selected password from any of these options. I have selected in this one. You have to select that one you have chosen. So I'm gonna select on password as I have set my password in here. And here from here you have to click on change. And here in this option you have to type your current password. Then click on next. So you will see two options: new password, confirm password, password hint. You have to empty this option, like keep this option blank. So after keeping this option blank, you have to click on next and click on finish. So you can see here in password option it says to add a password because the password has been removed already. So this is how you can remove a password in Windows 11. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching this video.